waves are rolling and the beaches are rotting. The oranges are part and their careers so dumps. And they're flying back to that Mexican border to pay all their money and way back again. My father's own father, he waded that river, and they took all the money he made in his life. My brothers and sisters went working the fruit trees. They rode on that truck till they lay down and died. Goodbye to my one, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. You won't have a name when you ride the big airplane, and all they will call you deportees. Some of us are illegal and others not wanted. Our work contracts out and we got to move on. The 600 miles to that Mexican border, and they chase us like outlaws, like rustlers, like thieves. We died in your hills, we died in your desert, we died in your valleys, we died in your plains. We died beneath your trees and we died in your bushes. Songs of the river, we died just the same. Goodbye to my one, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. You won't have a name when you ride the big airplane, and all they will call you will be deportees. Well, a sky plane caught fire over Los Gatos Canyon. A fireball of lightning, it shook all our trees. These dear friends, all scattered like dry leaves. The radio tells us they're just deportees. But is this the best way we can grow our big orchards? Is this the best way we can grow our good fruit?